Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a look at the 2023 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. This Equinox is featured in a blue glow metallic paint finish. Under the hood we have a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle is 5 total passenger seating, all on jet black leather seating surfaces. We have heated seats in the rear of the vehicle and heated and cooled seats for the front 2 passengers. Also have a power driver and passenger seat, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a dual pane sunroof, GPS navigation, forward collision alert, as well as our lane keep assist. Outside the vehicle we have front and rear park assist, as well as parallel park assist, a paint protection film on the hood of the vehicle, alloy wheels, as well as our powered liftgate. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, power mirrors, power windows, rear window lock. Below that we have driver seat memory with 2 memory settings and our mirror memory, as well as our powered liftgate functions, storage and a Bose speaker in the rest of the door. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel we have all of our lighting controls, including our fog lamps. Power driver seat with power adjustable lumbar, and the seat itself finished in our jet black leather. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster. In the center, we have our driver digital information system that can display everything from our audio to our navigation, as well as phone settings. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise with forward collision alert and gap control, heated steering wheel, as well as lane keep assist. Some audio controls are tucked in behind. Right-hand side has voice recognition as well as hands-free. Arrows and check are the controls for that driver information system. Behind on this side, we also have audio controls for our volume and our push-to-start ignition. Moving to the infotainment system in the middle, if we go into audio and more, we have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth media, phone connection, GPS navigation, 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, and then users and settings. Wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto complete the first page. Second page, we have apps, My Chevrolet, camera, which is our surround view camera with our front and rear adaptive guidelines, as well as front and rear park assist. Then we have Sirius XM and OnStar services. Below we have home, seek, volume, and mute, as well as back. Auto stop start and hazard lights are below that. We have a cooled and heated driver seat and cooled and heated passenger seat on either side of our dual zone climate. You can see we can adjust each temperature individually or sync. Also have AC as well as front and rear defrost. And all of our fan settings are in the middle, as well as our auto mode. Below that we have our SD slot for our navigation, USB-C, USB-A, aux, and a 12-volt plug, as well as our wireless charging pad. Then we have all-wheel drive mode, as well as front and rear park assist and parallel park assist. Leather finish shifter. Right below that is our electronic parking brake. 2 cup holders with storage, where we can also currently see the key fob. On the key fob we have locks and unlocks, our remote start system, powered liftgate, as well as our alarm system. A little bit more storage in front of our leather finished center console. Inside we have a removable coin tray, deep storage, and 2 more USBs. Moving to the passenger seat, it's also powered, finished in that same jet black leather that the driver's seat was in, and has cooled and heated options. Moving above the rearview mirror, we have OnStar settings at the front, dome lights on either side with our dome lighting controls, powered sunroof as well as our powered sunshade, universal garage door opener with our 3 settings, a sunglass holder. Then lastly, we have our dual pane skyscraper sunroof ranging from the front to back of the vehicle. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, on the hood we have our paint protection film. Moving down to the front tire and rim, we have our black and silvered alloy rim with a Chevrolet bow tie center cap. Moving out, we have paint match mirrors with our integrated turn signals, as well as blind spot monitors. Paint match door handles with chrome accents and keyless entry in the front of the vehicle. All the way around to the back of the vehicle, we have a black bow tie, Equinox all-wheel drive, and Premier badging all in chrome. Opening up the back of the vehicle, we have power release located just underneath our bow tie. In the back of the vehicle, we have our all-weather mats, which continue throughout. 60/40 folding second row seat that is foldable directly from the back of the vehicle. 12-volt plug, as well as a bit of storage on either side. If we lift up our all-weather mat and lift up the bottom, we have some storage space, as well as a full-size 5th tire. Lastly, to close the vehicle, we have power release and manual release on the right-hand side. Moving into the back of the Equinox, we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as storage, and our Bose speaker. Inside the vehicle, storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat. 2 rear vents. We have heated outboard seats, 2 USB A's for charging, and a 120-volt plug all the way in the bottom. All-weather mats are featured throughout the vehicle. Second row seat, we have a 60/40 folding bench finished in our jet black leather. In the center seat, we have our 2 foldable cup holders, as well as removable covers. Then lastly, to fold these seats, we have our manual releases on either side, or we can also fold it directly from the back of the vehicle, and it folds flat with all-weather mats on the back to make additional storage. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2023 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.